Welcome to a beautiful new day. Let's begin this meditation right after waking up, allowing your body to settle into a comfortable position. Keep your spine straight, shoulders relaxed slightly back, opening your heart. Rest your palms facing upwards on your lap. And when you're ready, gently close your eyes. Now, focus your attention on how your body feels in this moment. You may still feel connected to the dream world, a place full of limitless possibilities. But remember, these possibilities still exist in the waking world, ready for you to explore. With your next inhale, feel the subtle power within you. Take a deep breath, fully expanding your stomach and rib cage. Hold your breath at the top, and when you're ready, exhale with a gentle sigh. Let go of everything you may be holding on to. Let your breath return to a natural rhythm that feels comfortable to you. Each breath brings fresh energy, nourishing your body and mind. Today, you are here to show up as your true self, a powerful creator of your own reality. You have the power to choose how you want to feel today. What do you want to experience? How do you want to feel? Allow yourself to feel it right now, in this moment. Think of a time in your life that brought you this feeling, or imagine something new. You can create this feeling now. There's no need to wait. Today, I feel, fill in the blank with your desired feeling. Let this feeling flow through every cell in your body. Take another deep breath, fully expanding your stomach and rib cage. Hold your breath at the top, and when you're ready, exhale with a gentle sigh. As you exhale, let go of any expectations or pressures. Today, you don't need anything from anyone. You don't have to prove anything. Today is about you. You choose how to feel, how to treat yourself. Say to yourself, I am my priority. Feel the power of that statement. As you focus on this, the strength you felt within at the beginning becomes even clearer. You let go of external expectations and trust that miracles are a natural part of your life. While you may not control everything in the outer world, you can control your inner landscape. Today, you choose to feel how you want to feel. Take a deep breath in, fully expanding your stomach and rib cage. Hold your breath, and when you're ready, exhale gently. Now, begin to gently roll your shoulders, wiggle your fingers and toes, and take this feeling with you as you open your eyes, ready for a beautiful new day.